Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. Today we're gonna make a sheep for my school project. And there's Rihana in the background. Right there, and he's hiding. So as you know guys, school is not opened here still because how too much corona virus in this country. So teacher is sending WhatsApp projects here. So the teacher said to make a sheep. So that's what I'm making. Okay, let's get started guys. So here are the stuffs we need. We have a cotton here to cover this ball. We have the ball covered in paper. And we have the sheep head over here. Like there, can you see guys? The sheep head. We have scissors, a gum, and 4 sticks. So we can use this as the leg. Okay, so let's get building. So first we're gonna cover this up with cotton. We'll just use some small pieces with the gum. We're gonna use all of this cotton here in this one single ball. like it, guys. You also should try to make one of these sheep, right?
Yeah.
But
I will be the best.
so this is it, guys. The homemade sheep. And this is Rihan. Come, Rihan. You also hold the sheep. Slowly, it'll break. And look at Rihan's cute.
I will be the best.
Look how it is there. Where's your face? They can't see your face.
It's really
So this is a sheep. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And go watch our other videos too. See you guys next time. Bye.